Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a high-ticket affiliate accelerator review. Specifically, I'm going to give you an update on the Transcend product. But before we get to that, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, I did a video about a month ago on the high ticket affiliate accelerator review, and things have changed since then. The Transcend level has changed, and so I wanted to give you an update on that. It's really exciting because a lot of really valuable things have been added to the Transcend. So let me just show you, but before we get to that, if you didn't see that video, I just wanted to give you a little bit of background on what the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator is. It's a training platform to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, or you can use it as a stepping stone to be able to do what you're passionate about. It also is used to help you build your network marketing business. And this product focuses on customer service and building a culture of success for all members. And why was it created? The owners were sick and tired of jumping from opportunity to one to another to maintain their income, and they wanted to solve this, which they feel is the biggest problem in the industry, is to create a platform focusing on helping customers and putting people before profit. So you see this a lot. See a lot of top marketers jumping from one opportunity to another, and that's in order to maintain their income. So they wanted to solve that problem and teach you how to keep your income level. The owners have changed, actually. There's only two owners now. First one is Joshua Elder, who is my mentor. He's been full-time for 5 years, has generated multiple seven figures. Excuse me, he's mastered free YouTube marketing and has built a loyal following of over 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, with over 2 million views on his channel. And then the other owner is Brian DICKSON. He's been in the industry for 5 years, has generated over 8 figures in the online space by selling affiliate products and by building funnels and systems for many of his clients and customers. And on top of that, his specialty is Facebook ads. And because of this knowledge, his clients pay him anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 an hour for his time, and up to $25,000 per month for an hour a week of his time. So these two gentlemen really know what they're doing. Josh's specialty is YouTube, and Brian's is Facebook. Before we get into why affiliate this is different than other things, let's go ahead and take a look at the high ticket accelerator Transcend. So when you come in on the home page, you're going to have access to the private Facebook group, and then you register for, there's live calls every week with Joshua, and he will answer all your questions live, and then they are recorded as well. So what you're supposed to do is come in here. Now the Transcend has changed. Excuse me. You're going to start with the getting started here. Just basically, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, it's going to teach you the mindset for success, 3 markets that pay you passively, how to create your avatar, his method of daily operation, 4 different types of traffic, and then you have training on exactly how to set up your business as far as the ClickFunnels, tracking, buying a domain, setting up your website, that's setting up your blog, installing your plugins, custom email address, setting up your custom tracking, like that is with ClickMagick. So that's really essential in setting up your business the correct way. And then this is what has changed. This was originally in the higher level with High Ticket Accelerator, but this has been added to the Transcend. And to me, this is like incredible training as far as getting your results quickly. And that's why they added it here, because if you just go with the free YouTube marketing, that's going to take you a while to get some results, maybe take you a few months. But the high ticket traffic mastery has been added because Josh and Brian wanted to give people the opportunity to get results quicker if they wanted to do paid advertising. So we're starting with Brian DICKSON's paid Facebook marketing. And I'm telling you, I've been going through this. It's an 8-week course. We're about halfway through now, but getting penny likes for your fan page and really being able to craft your story and attract people to you. Not just people, but the right kind of people who actually see your vision and want to join you because of your brand and doing things the right way. Like, you can't just go onto Facebook and promote your business opportunity. You're going to learn how to do it the right way. And Brian has been doing this for 5 years. He now has an ad agency where he does ads for other companies. But when he was, I don't know if his wife is still in network marketing, but at the time when they were doing ads for his network marketing business, or for hers, she was getting 35 signups a day. Now, that's not typical, and he said generally the expectation, if you do have a network marketing company, is that you get 25 to 30 signups a month. It's not guaranteed, but that is absolutely doable with what he teaches. And then if you have an affiliate marketing business, 1 to 2 signups a day. And again, he's teaching you how to do it the right way, building it the right way, so you don't get your ads shut down. So he teaches the action plans. Then there's a technical Thursday where Lisa and Stock teaches, and that's his #1 student. She just fell in love with Facebook ads. I think they met in a network marketing business, but that's how she builds her business. She started doing Facebook ads for her network marketing business, was very, very successful, then started doing ads for her team members. They were very successful. Then it branched out. She now has a 7-figure ad agency. So this can not only help you build leads and sales for your network marketing business or your affiliate marketing business, but you can go on to have that skill set that you could start generating leads for businesses, local businesses, and make a lot of money doing that. So this is a very valuable skill to learn. And this is not in here yet, but Josh Elder will be adding his YouTube paid marketing, paid ads marketing. And he has been very, very successful, not only with his free marketing, but when you do paid YouTube ads and you dial it down, YouTube retargeting, you can get your cost per click very, very low and really direct it to the right audience so that you can get the kind of results that you want. Same thing with Facebook marketing. You can really dial it down to, like, this is the type of person that this is speaking to, and then it becomes very easy to get sales. And they've done a lot of high ticket marketing, which is obviously what this product is about, is to really be able to sell high ticket products and be able to replace your income. And then the 8-figure mastermind group, this is like invaluable. I mean, it's almost like being mentored one-on-one, because you get your questions answered by Lisa and Brian. They can look at your ads, they can look at your story, and they give you feedback. So it's like you just get that immediate feedback. It's really an incredible mastermind group here. And then week 3, this is Brian Dixon's Chatbot Profits. So you're going to set up a lead generation campaign, your Facebook ad setup, how to build a massive list, retargeting your audience, and advanced Facebook ads training. So this is super valuable as well. And then week 4, this is free YouTube marketing, and this is what has allowed me to, the majority of my 43,000 plus in 12 months came from this exact training right here. And I can't tell you how life-changing this can be for you. Okay, so he teaches you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel, find your ideal customer, create your brand, do everything, your channel graphics, the tools that you would use, understanding keyword research. So a lot of my videos that I put up are on the first page of YouTube, and then a good percentage of them are #1 for targeted keywords, and that's how people find me. One video in particular has made me over $14,000 just from a review video that I did. The people joined from my review video. So you can see how valuable this has been to me, and it's a long-term strategy. And then when you do, when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense revenue. I've done, I think it's anywhere from $1,500, close to maybe $2,000 since the end of March, just from people clicking on ads. So this is a long-term strategy, not only to generate leads for your network marketing business and your affiliate marketing business, but you can earn residual income from Google AdSense, which to me is really exciting. So all of this is in here. You're going to learn exactly what to do as far as what you're going to talk about. But then also in a recent Facebook Live, he talked about a done-for-you service that they're probably going to be doing, where if you're brand new, you can use his content. You can have somebody else do your keywords to your whole channel for you. So if that's something that you're interested in, that's coming. So that's really exciting. Launch jacking, you're going to get that as well. That's going to be where you get in front of products that are coming out. You get that traffic. You get sales today. That's something else that he's put in here. His simple funnel, the offer he's promoted, use your results or somebody else's, and his promotional emails. And then the affiliate training, if you want to become an affiliate for the high ticket accelerator Transcend level, you're going to get access to everything. His funnels, how to set up your chatbot, everything, from start to finish. He shows you exactly how to promote this the right way. Then your weekly calls, there's recordings here, and again, you get on every Saturday with Josh, get all your questions answered live. So this is invaluable. It's basically, then we have a Facebook group for the High Ticket Accelerator, so you get your questions answered in there. Then nobody gets left behind. This is incredible training, and I've been online for 10 years. I had to take extended leave. When I came back online, I wanted to hire somebody. I hired Josh and got on his training, and it's been life-changing to me, really life-changing. So why is it different than anything else that I've found? The weekly question and answer calls, no monthly fees. Of course, you have your ClickFunnels and tools that will be monthly, but that's just part of running a business. Those are tax deductible. Facebook chat groups with Josh and other leaders. You get your questions answered just in the chat. Sharing strategies that can be implemented. I mean, I've bought products that are $3,000 or more, and I have not gotten this kind of value. So, and there's free methods that, like I said, the free Facebook that actually works. I've done YouTube marketing before, never got the kind of results that I got with Josh's training. So, and then there's a culture of people who are winning and really care about your results. They really care. They don't just care about making money from you. They care about your results. So just kind of put this into perspective, because I'm going to tell you how much this is. He did raise the price when they both added the Facebook paid and YouTube paid to the Transcend. It was $2,500, but the amount of money that you're going to spend for it is small in the amount of money that you can make from it. Now, I wanted to replace my income, which I'm on my way there, because I paid $15,000 a year to get my master's in physical therapy, and in just a year of using this training, I've made $43,000 in sales, and that was with his free YouTube marketing. So the price of it now, I'll tell you here in just a minute, but who is this not for? People who are looking to make a quick buck. This is not for you. People who are not looking to do any work. If it's just going to be like a hobby, no, this isn't going to be for you. Who is it for? People who are looking to build a long-term sustainable business, something that will stand the test of time, where you don't have to jump from opportunity to opportunity. People who are not making the kind of money that they want to make with their network marketing business or affiliate marketing, and want to find the right audience to promote their product or service to. That becomes so much easier when you're promoting this to people who actually want what you have to offer. People who are looking for a mentor, people who want to learn methods that actually work to sell high-ticket offers, people who believe in investing in high-quality education, and people who want to replace their income. So the price has increased to $2,997. And if you want to become an affiliate, you're going to earn $1,498.50 on your sales. And then when you refer this to other people and they become an affiliate and make a sale, you're going to earn $749.25 on your JV partner sales. So it's worth every penny, I believe. What do you do next? If you want to get started, click on the first link in the description below the video, and then we can chat on Facebook and see if this is a good fit for you. So I hope you guys found some value in this high ticket affiliate accelerator review, specifically updating the Transcend product. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And then again, if you want to get started, click on the first link in the description below the video. I look forward to working with you. With that being said, this is Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.